Okay, this is my friend's 2012 King Curb bike check. Got it for Christmas. Okay, let's start with the front. We have purple ODI long necks with ODI bar ends, Mission Midtown bars, Mission conjunction stem, stock brake lever, stock brake line, kink volt forks, I think kind of contact tires. I'm not really sure. Stock rim, stock hub, stock everything, practically everything. So stock peg. It's a Mission function hub, front and back. Okay, let's move to the back. Stolen thermalite seat with a stolen thermalite seat clamp, both purple. Mission seat stolen thermalite seat post. Sorry, Mission seat clamp. Mission transit cranks, Welgo purple PC pedals, stock peg, Mission functions hub, kind of contact tire, I don't know what kind of rim it is, but it's pretty nice. Go on this side. We have kink 25 tooth decimal sprocket, 9-tooth driver in the back, and let's do a hub sound for you.